Denmark is a country located in northern Europe and is the southernmost of the Nordic countries. It is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government. Let's explore the geography, history, and geopolitical importance of Denmark in detail. Geography. Denmark consists of the Jutland Peninsula and an archipelago of 443 islands, with the largest being Zealand, where the capital city, Copenhagen, is located. The country is bordered by Germany to the south and is surrounded by the North Sea to the west and the Baltic Sea. To the east, the Öresund Strait separates Denmark from Sweden, and the Kattegat Strait separates Denmark from Norway. Denmark has a relatively flat terrain with low hills and fertile plains. It has a coastline stretching over 7,300 kilometers, including numerous fjords and sandy beaches. History. The history of Denmark dates back to prehistoric times, with archaeological evidence of human settlements from the Mesolithic and Neolithic eras. The country was inhabited by various Germanic tribes until the Viking Age 8th to 11th centuries, when the Danes became prominent seafarers, traders, and warriors. During this period, Danish Vikings ventured across Europe, establishing trade routes and founding settlements in areas such as England, Ireland, France, and Russia. Denmark's first unified kingdom emerged in the 10th century under King Harald Bluetooth. The nation experienced periods of expansion and contraction over the centuries. In the 14th to 17th centuries, Denmark was a major regional power known as the Kalmar Union, which included Sweden, Norway, Iceland, and parts of Finland. However, the union dissolved in the early 16th century. Denmark went through various wars and conflicts, including the Northern Seven Years' War, the Napoleonic Wars, and the Schleswig Wars. In the mid-19th century, Denmark lost control of the duchies of Schleswig and Holstein to Prussia, leading to a national crisis. This eventually resulted in the Second Schleswig War 1864, after which Denmark lost these territories. In the 20th century, Denmark managed to maintain neutrality during World War I but was occupied by Germany during World War II. After the war, Denmark focused on rebuilding and joined NATO in 1949. It also became a founding member of the European Free Trade Association EFTA and later joined the European Economic Community (EC), which is now the European Union (EU). Geopolitical and strategic importance. 1. Gateway to the Baltic Sea. Denmark controls access to the Baltic Sea through the strategic straits of Öresund and the Great Belt. This geographical position has historically given Denmark an important role in controlling maritime trade routes and naval movements in the region. 2. NATO and European Union. As a member of NATO and the EU, Denmark plays a significant role in regional and international security cooperation. It actively participates in shaping European policies and contributes to collective defense efforts. 3. Economic significance. Denmark has a highly developed welfare state and a mixed market economy. It is known for its high standard of living, advanced industries, and a strong focus on renewable energy. Denmark is a major exporter of agricultural products, pharmaceuticals, machinery, and renewable energy technologies. 4. Energy security. Denmark has made substantial investments in renewable energy, particularly wind power. It aims to become carbon neutral by 2050 and has successfully developed expertise in wind turbine production and technology. This positions Denmark as a global leader in the renewable energy sector and enhances its energy security. 5. Arctic interests. Denmark has territorial claims in the Arctic region through its autonomous territory, Greenland. The melting of the polar ice cap has increased the geopolitical importance of the Arctic, and Denmark has a vested interest. 6. Baltic Sea region. Denmark's location in the Baltic Sea region gives it a crucial role in regional cooperation and security. It actively participates in initiatives such as the Council of the Baltic Sea States and the Nordic Council, which promote collaboration among the countries in the region. 7. Maritime trade and shipping. Denmark has a long maritime history and is home to some of the world's largest shipping companies. The port of Copenhagen is a major hub for international trade, and Danish shipping companies play a significant role in global shipping and logistics networks. 8. European security and defense. Denmark contributes to European security through its participation in various defense and security initiatives. It collaborates closely with its neighboring countries and NATO allies to address regional security challenges and promote stability in the Baltic region. 9. Greenland and the Arctic. Denmark's relationship with Greenland, an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark, grants it a presence in the Arctic region. As climate change affects the Arctic, melting ice opens up new shipping routes and potential access to untapped natural resources. Denmark's involvement in Arctic affairs allows it to assert its interests in the region. 10. International diplomacy. Denmark is known for its active engagement in international diplomacy. It is a strong supporter of multilateralism, human rights, and sustainable development. Copenhagen frequently hosts international conferences and summits, further enhancing its diplomatic influence. 11. Crossroads of Northern Europe. Denmark serves as a crossroads between Northern Europe and the rest of the continent. Its transportation infrastructure, including bridges, tunnels, and ferry connections, facilitates the movement of people, goods, and services across the region, contributing to its economic integration. 12. Technological innovation. Denmark has a reputation for innovation, particularly in the fields of clean technology, sustainable urban planning, and digitalization. Its expertise in these areas positions it as a leader in the transition to a green and digital economy, attracting investments and fostering collaborations with other countries. In summary, Denmark's strategic location, historical significance, active participation in international organizations, and focus on sustainable development and innovation contribute to its geopolitical importance in the Baltic Sea region and beyond. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe. Advocate Buzzer Shah channel.